So what do you do when you are stuck in the traffic and you see the line in front of you, knowing that you're gonna stay there another 1.5 or 2 hours probably? I have no other option but to take my other DSLR, grab my 50mm, and to start shooting cars coming from the opposite way. So let's start doing it. This was nice panning shot. It starts raining. I don't know what is cause of the traffic, but we are in the traffic already like 1 hour maybe, and I don't know how long we're gonna stay here. Let's take one photo into the mirror. This is cool. So this 50mm is 1.8 and it has a nice bokeh. When you focus the subject and everything around get blurry, you know, and dreamy. So I like the effect and I really love this old 50mm. It's my first DSLR, as I told you in the previous video, so but I still really love to use this, you know, DSLR. I'll just show you an example of the bokeh it is getting. So this is just, you know, the thing here in my car, but the surrounding is beautiful. It's awesome lens, still very good lens to use. There is a very nice house here. Let me show you. Oh, it's raining. I have made a couple of nice photos, but I'm still waiting for some awesome car to come, you know, some Porsche or something similar. Ah, one truck is coming. Let's see. This one. Not bad. There was one truck, this one. It looks sick, and I think after editing the photo will come out very nice. But I'm waiting some sport car or some Porsche, some Lambo or something cool to come. Because now I can see straight in front of me, I can see the cars which are coming. So let's hope some good car will come to get some good shots. I'll still wait, you never know. Maybe next one is awesome one.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
So apparently there was this truck which got broken, or it has an accident and it's stuck in the middle of the road. So only one line is available and in use. So that was the cause of the huge traffic. Now after 2.5, 3 hours waiting, you know, I passed the traffic And now when I remember that I have to come back same way, I just hope they're gonna fix the issue before I...